I've been programming for years, read the books, watched the tutorials, passed the interviews, and I still made mistakes in production that cost me hours, sometimes days. Nobody taught me these 5 principles. No course, no boot camp, no YouTube video. I only learned them after breaking real systems and losing sleep at 3 a.m. staring at logs I didn't even write properly. Stick around. At least one of these will save you. A production system went down. Users complaining, manager pinging me, and I had 0 useful logs. I was a detective with no evidence, guessing, rerunning code, praying something worked. It took 6 hours to fix a bug that good logging would have solved in 10 minutes. Here's the truth. Your code is what you think happened. Logs are what actually happened. Every function touching data, users, or external APIs log the input, the action, and the output. 3 lines. That's it. Do it every time, no exceptions. I built a simple sign-up form, name, email, submit, tested it perfectly. Day 1 in production, someone typed an emoji in the name field. The whole thing crashed. They weren't trying to break it. That's just how they typed their name. Every assumption you make about user input is wrong. Test empty strings, 10,000 character inputs, SQL injection, null values, and emojis. Your users are not you. Build like they're accidentally trying to destroy your system because they are. I once spent 3 weeks building a perfectly clean, scalable architecture for a new feature. The feature got scrapped. 3 weeks, gone. Most features fail. Don't build a palace for something that might get demolished next month. Ship fast, validate the idea, and refactor only if it survives. The best engineers write working code first and clean code second. Speed of validation beats beauty of architecture every time. I once spent 2 hours trying to understand a function called do stuff. 2 hours. It was processing payment webhooks, critical business logic, hidden under a useless name. If you can't name something clearly, you don't fully understand what it does. That's a red flag. Stop and think before writing a single line. A good name takes 5 minutes. Decoding a bad one takes 5 hours. Name things like the next developer is a sleep-deprived version of you, because often it is. Your laptop has 1 user. Production has 10,000. Your local database has 50 rows. Production has 50 million. A query that runs in 30 milliseconds locally will time out and crash under real load. Use Docker to mirror your production environment. Build a staging server. Deploy early, even rough versions, so you catch issues before users do. It works on my machine is not a deployment strategy. Logs over guessing, users over assumptions, speed over perfection, names over mystery, production over localhost. These didn't come from any textbook, they came from real mistakes and real production fires. Which one hit hardest for you? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.